Hello and welcome. We'll be continuing our lesson on sewing a male shirt. If you didn't start with us, just check the previous videos and you'll catch up. So this is the back of the shirt that we already cut, and we remember we cut the upper half and then notched it like that. So I'm joining these two pieces that we notched, the three pieces actually, the main cloth and the front and the back of the upper portion of the shirt. So you just use a pin and put it and hold it together like that so that it doesn't move when you are sewing. The essence is to make sure that the center part that you notched actually all align together. Otherwise, if you're sewing, the shirt can be displaced and you will not have the neck lining at the center, which is the expected result. So that is why we try to put it together like that and notch it so that as you're sewing, it doesn't pull and get displaced. Then we run thread across, and that's how we attach that back piece. So now you can see that is the shirt. So we have like doubled the upper part of the shirt. So this is the back piece. Now it is time to join the front halves. Remember, we've sewn the buttonhole and button flaps. So this is how you attach the front part to the back part. The reason for doubling the back part as we did like that is to make that back firm, and also to be able to hide the rough edges of the sewing inside, because this is what we're going to do. You see the way I've placed it? Then I'm going to take the back side of the doubled back if I can call it like that, and sew across. Please just, you can pause or slow the speed of the video so that you can see it again. So I place the front shirt and then use like the two sides of the back and like sandwich the front piece of the shirt and then just sew that across. That way you have all the rough edges inside and you have a fine and smooth shoulder joining. See, once I turn it all over, that's how it's going to be. You see, it's lined there, well fitted. Okay, and that is the back part. So there will be no need to zigzag inside. So that's how we attach the front piece to the back side of the shirt, and I'm going to do the same for the other side of the shirt. Okay, so this was the button hole flap. I'm going to attach the button flap as well in like manner, and then we'll continue with the sewing. So I've attached the button flap of the shirt as well, and so I have that smooth finishing. So with this, I have attached both flaps of the front of the shirt to the back of the shirt. So when I turn it all over, I'm just going to fold it like this. So I'm just going to join it like this, and then I would trim slightly. So I will take my tape and measure like 1/2 inch, because that part of the shirt or the front shirt, you want it to like lay flat on the chest. So I'm just trying to trim here where I have excess fabric, and then I'll connect it down the way I've measured the 1/2 inch, and then I'll use my scissors and just cut. Okay, so mind you are not really like digging in, no, you're just cutting through, and then it will join nicely, and then just trim that excess fabric out, This, you should be very careful when you're doing this, because you don't want to make the neck very large. If you overcut through the fabric, you're going to make the neck very large, and which is not going to be ideal at all. So that's it. I've trimmed that little front edge, so that when I finally will attach the collar, it will just fall nicely. It won't be hanging like upright. It's going to fall on the chest. So I'm going to leave it at like this for now, and just continue watching onto the next video to see how we proceed with the collar and the other parts of the shirt. Thank you.